Welcome to the Project Finance Modeling course by Dealmaker. My name is Rod McKinley. I designed this course and will be guiding you through its content, so I think it's only polite to share a little info with you about me. I started out in market research before transitioning into M&A and then finally into project finance. I took an interest in the power sector and found my niche in renewables. As a numbers guy, Excel has always been at my side. With each new role, I've learned to use it in more powerful and effective ways, and I still have fun engineering with it. Outside of business, education's been my other calling. I have worked in schools, lectured undergraduate students, and provided career advice. At work, I've enjoyed training junior staff and have even coached colleagues through CFA exam material. Dealmaker is an online venture which brings together the best of my professional and educational experience to make advanced practical knowledge available to you and other motivated young professionals all around the world.